Hello. Welcome guys to my live section. Welcome guys to my live section. Welcome to my live section. Hello. Welcome to my live section. Welcome to my live section. Welcome. So let's get started. Today, let's look at what you're expecting from the market today. Let's look at what we're expecting from the market today. Let's look at what we're expecting from the markets today. So let's start our analysis with the AUD USD. We have a good setup on AUD USD. So I will break down what we are expecting from the AUD USD this morning. So let's stick to our trade plan and stick to the strategy. So if you are new here, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. We need to grow this channel to 1,000 in this month of June. We need to grow this channel to 1,000 in this month of June. Please do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe to the live section. Do well to subscribe to the live section. Do well to subscribe. So let's dive straight to the analysis for today. What are we expecting from the AUD USD? We're expecting price to on AUD USD. Let's start the analysis from the weekly time frame. We are still expecting more buys on the weekly time frame because the weekly time frame is pointing more uptrend. It's pointing more uptrend on the weekly time frame. So the weekly is pointing more of the uptrend on the weekly time frame. So long the weekly is pointing more of the uptrend, our job is to look out for more of the buying opportunity from the weekly time frame. We can't just enter because we have a strong bullish momentum on the weekly time frame. We need a good confirmation setup from the daily chart for us to also join the buys from the weekly time frame, because once the higher time frame is telling us to buy, our aim is to look out for more of the buying opportunity to buy to the top. So our aim is to look out for more of buys. We have to look out for more of the buys to buy the AUD to the top, because the higher time frame is telling us to what to buy. So long the higher time frame is telling us to buy, we have to look out for more of buys. We don't need to go against the higher time frame direction. We have to stick with the higher time frame direction. That is what is sustainable in this market. To trade against the higher time frame direction, you find yourself in a big mess and a big trap. So it's not encouraging to trade against the higher time frame direction. I always encourage you that to trade in direction of the higher time frame. Avoid trading against the higher time frame direction. Avoid trading against the higher time frame direction, which is very, very risky to trade. Very risky. Avoid trading against the higher time frame direction. because once you trade against the higher time frame direction, you find yourself to blame. Trust me, you find yourself to blame. You find yourself to blame. So avoid trading against the higher time frame direction. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can clearly see price is setting up already for buying opportunity. Price is setting up already for buying opportunity, but there's no confirmation for entry yet for the Australia USD. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. You can see any possible confirmation for buys. So on the 4-hour time frame, we missed the early entry on the 4-hour time frame already. We have this early entry for buy for 4-hour time frame. So we missed that entry already. So we are supposed to buy from this level with our stop loss at this area, then with the targets to the next weekly level. We are supposed to target this next weekly level. So you can see that on the 4-hour time, why are we buying the Australia USD? On the 4-hour time, you can see that price has closed above this our 3 trend line touch. Price has closed above a 3 trend line touch. Then you can also see that on the 4-hour time frame, we have a lower low and a higher low, then higher low. So this risk of higher low indicates bullish momentum for the Australia USD. And a break of this lower high is an indication for price reversal or change of trend for buying opportunity for the Australia USD to the top. So long we have this good structure, so our aim is to buy the Australia USD to the top. So our aim is to buy the Australia USD to the top because we don't want to trade against the direction of the Australia USD. So we have to buy from this level to this resistance level, to this weekly resistance level. This is swing trading strategy. So if you are joining me here, if you are new here, I'm a forex trader with over 18 years trading experience. I'm only a swing trader. I don't do scalping. So please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe. If you are just joining us, do well to subscribe and also like the live. So do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe. If you have any question, you can also ask your question. Do well to subscribe. So we expect more buys from the Australia USD. We're expecting more buys from the Australia USD. So if you have any question, do well to ask your question. Do well to ask your questions. Do well to ask your questions. If you have any question, do well to ask your questions. I'm available for your questions. Do well to ask your questions. I'm available for your questions. If you have any questions, ask your questions. I'm ready to answer your questions. So we are expecting buys from the Australia USD because the higher time frame is already telling us to buy. We can't trade against the higher time frame direction. If you are trading against the higher time frame direction, it's very, very risky. Trust me, don't trade against the higher time frame direction. Always trade in direction of the higher time frame. So you can see that you can see how I break down the analysis from the weekly to the daily, then the 4-hour charts. I usually use confirmation from daily. I use daily to enter if I have a signal from daily to enter. I also use 4 hours to enter the trade if I also have a chance to use my 4 hours to enter the trade. So I use both charts to enter. Why my weekly is the chart I use to make home analysis. I don't want to cross any confusion. Okay, so you said you are a beginner trader. Do you have any basic course for? Yes, I have a basic course. I have a trading course. Click the link is in the description below. We have a trading course. The link is in the description below. Yeah, you can get your copy there. Click the link in the description below to get access to your trading course. So you can see how I break it down. This is also the same thing we have in our trading course. We break it down step by step, where you will have access to take advantage of the higher time frame movement. Because one thing about this market, you cannot trade against the higher time frame direction. Trading against the higher time frame direction is a trap. Don't do that. Always look out for the major direction to trade. Even though if you're a scalper, don't trade against the higher time frame direction. Always look for key level from the higher time frame to scalp. Don't trade against the higher time frame direction. If you have been following my life, you can see that all my life analysis are always accurate. All my life analysis are always accurate because I don't trade against the higher time frame direction. We trade in direction of the higher time frame. So that is what puts my analysis, give my analysis in higher accuracy for me to see a positive result. But if you are trading against that direction, you don't expect that positive result. Our analysis is always accurate and is 85% accuracy. So it's better you learn to trade in direction of the higher time frame. It's better you learn to trade in direction of the higher time frame. Avoid trading against the higher time frame direction. So if you trade against the higher time frame direction, it's really bad. Don't trade against it. Look for possible heavy miss to trade in direction of the higher time frame. Don't trade against the higher time frame direction. Look for possible miss to join the higher time frame move. That is when you can have your 85% win ratio or your 90% win ratio or your 70% win ratio for you to be consistently making profits in this market. You can only be consistent making profits when you follow what the higher time frame is saying. You cannot go against the higher time frame direction. That is a trap. Don't do that. So let's look at our next pair. Let's look at the pounds USD and euro USD. So we look at the pounds USD. Let's start from the weekly time frame. So let's look at the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we see half pounds see on a sideways trend. We see have this sideways trend on the pounds USD. But we have an inner structure of lower low and a higher low, then higher low. So this is a sign of price reversal to break this level before can see possible uptrend. But if price fail, if price tested this level and fail to break it, then this might trigger another level of sell back for us to see more sell for the pound USD. So we don't want to take chances. We want to trade in line with the higher time frame direction. We don't want to trade in line with that higher time frame direction. So that is why we are buying the pound USD now, because the higher time frame is telling us to also go back, that we are buying to this resistance level or this resistance level. So these are the levels we are expecting price to reach this coming week, which is this area. These are the levels we are expecting price to reach this coming week. So these are the reasons we are buying the pound USD. Let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see we have series of price action set up already on the daily time frame, projecting buying also. Along this higher time frame, the daily chart is projecting a buying. So and the higher time frame is also projecting buying. You can buy and stick to the trade plan. At the end of the day, you see price hitting your take profit, price hitting that your target you set that you're expecting for price to move to. Because why you stick to the direction of the higher time frame and you stick to that same plan on the daily time frame. So if you are just joining up, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's subscribe, let's support the growth of this channel. Let's support the growth of this channel. So you can see from the daily time frame, you can see clearly that the market is already giving us buying opportunity also, which is there's a shift trend already on the daily time frame. Once you see a series of higher lows, a sign of uptrend already. You can see from the daily time frame now we have this lower low and a higher low. So this is a sign of buying already for the pound USD. So once we see a break of this high, then we test and see more buy for the pound USD. So also a sign of buying opportunity for the pounds USD. So now we have this buy setup on the pounds USD. You cannot trade against the direction. You can't trade against this direction of the pounds USD. If you are trading against this direction of the pounds USD, it's very risky. So it's not advisable trading against the higher time frame direction. So that is why we are buying the USD from this level. So that's why we are buying from this level. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. You can see from the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour is also aligning to the higher time frame. You can see the 4-hour time frame now will not have a series of higher lows. So if price have this series of higher lows, and you now put your money to what? To buy, to sell, you lose your hard-earned money. You can see we have the lower low, higher low, higher low. So this series of higher low indicates strong bullish momentum for pounds. We expect more buys on the pounds. We expect more buys because of this series of higher low we have on the pounds USD. Expect price to keep pushing higher. So once we see a series of higher low and the higher time frame is telling us to buy, just know that that particular setup is a good plan. Just know that that particular setup comes with high accuracy. So expect price to keep pushing higher. Expect price to keep pushing higher. Expect price to keep pushing higher. Expect price to keep pushing higher on the pounds USD. Expect price to keep pushing higher. So long the pounds USD on the weekly is telling us to buy, daily is buy, 4 hours is buy. Expect price to keep pushing higher. Don't trade against this kind of trend direction. This kind of market direction that have the weekly, the daily, the 4 hours are all in the same direction. Don't trade against it. Don't trade against it and sell it. Always look for your buying. Give this trade from 19 weekend. You see that there will be an explosive move for pounds to the top this week because of the higher time frame and the lower time frame are saying the same direction. We get it now. So long once this chart are saying the same direction, just keep buying. Don't go against it. Just keep putting your pressures on buying. Don't go against that the buying pressure. Keep buying. Focus more of the attention on the buying. Don't go against it. So if you are not joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's support the growth of this channel. Let's support the growth of this channel. Let's support the growth of this channel. So let's look at the next pair. Let's look at the euro. Let's look at Euro USD. Let's look at Euro USD. Let's start our analysis from the weekly time frame. I always start my analysis from the higher time frame because I want to know what the higher time frame is saying, what the higher time frame is telling us. I don't want to trade against the higher time frame direction because if I trade against the higher time frame direction, there's high chances of me losing. So you don't need to trade against the higher time frame direction. Always follow the direction of the higher time frame. If higher time frame tells you to buy, tell you to sell. So let's look at the Euro USD now. The major structure of the Euro USD of the higher time frame, you can see we have this range, pricing on a range. Then you can see that the first time price tested this resistance level and price dropped. Then now price tested this support level and price failed to break it. We expect price to move back to this resistance level. Then price can break this resistance, this might trigger more buy. Then price failed to break that same level, price will drop back. So this is what we're expecting from the euro on the higher time frame now. So we're expecting this move from the higher time frame for price to move back to this resistance level on the Euro USD. So let's look at the daily time frame. Let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the pressure of bullish trend is building up already from the daily chart. The pressure of the bullish trend is already building up, but we need price to close above this resistance for us to start looking for buys. We need the price setup for us to start looking for buys on the Euro USD. So what are we seeing now on the euro on the daily time frame? You can see we have this lower low and higher low. So these are signs of more buys opportunity coming up, but we need the confirmation from this area for us to start joining the buys for the Euro USD, because we want to trade against the direction of the higher time frame. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that we also have price break out of this lower high. This is a sign of price shifting trend to up trend. Then we can see that we now have this higher high and a lower high. So this is why it's not encouraging to buy euro yet, because we have a lower high. So what we need now, we need price to break above this lower high, then we test, then we can start looking for more buys. So this is what we're expecting from euro USD, a break of price above this level for us to start looking for the buys for euro USD. We can't cheat in this the direction of the higher time frame. Now you can see the forward chart. It's telling us not to buy because the forward chart is showing what downtrend. We don't want to sell, we want to buy in direction of the higher time frame. So you can see that we have two scenarios here. The daily chart is telling us uptrend, but there's no confirmation to buy. While the weekly chart is telling us uptrend and the minute social sideways. Then the 4-hour chart now is telling us a different story entirely. It's telling us to what to sell because we have a lower low, a higher high, and a series of and a lower high. So this is telling us what to sell, which is not encouraging to sell. So your job is to what? To wait for price to break above this area, then retest and start looking for more buys. This is how you analyze your trade. This is how you plan your trade. So for you to be successful as a trader, you must have a trade plan. Don't just take trade randomly. You must have a trade plan. Don't just take trade randomly. You must have a trade plan, and you must stick to that trade plan. What are the things that make us a successful trader in this market? One, we have to have a trade plan. Secondly, you have to have your risk plan. Your risk plan is the amount you are risking per trade. If you are risking $2, you are risking $2. If you are risking $5, you are risking $5. Your risk plan is very important. It's what keeps you in the market going. Let's say you have a $1,000 account. You can be risking 20%, which is $20, or you can be risking $10, which is 1% of the account per trade. So your risk management is what keeps you going. Because there are times where we have series of losses. But with our risk management, we keep us going. It will sustain us because we are risking low and making higher profits. So that is why we are swinging. That is why swing trading is the best strategy to work with. You are making at least minimum of 1:3. 1:3, 1:4, 1:5 is better than scalping. You are just running in and running out, running in and running out. It's not encouraging. Look for a good trade plan and also evaluate your risk plan. Then you can now become successful as a trader. So those are the things you need to become successful in this trading industry. You can't just become successful overnight. You must marry your risk plan and your trade plan together and stick to them to give you your desired result. So if you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are joining us, do it to like and subscribe to this channel. So that is how you trade. You stick to your trade plan. You marry your trade plan. You don't need to rush, because if you rush, you lose. Stick to your trade plan. Avoid working with emotions. If the market tell you to buy, you buy. If the market say we are in sideways, don't buy. Avoid it, don't buy. That is how it works. If the market tell you not to buy, don't buy. If the market tell you to buy, you buy. And if you are buying, you have a risk plan. I'm buying with $20 risk, I'm buying with $100 risk, I'm buying with $50 risk. Those are the things that make you profitable in trading. Not unnecessary high risk, not over trading. If you are over trading, it's very difficult for you to become wealthy in trading. So apply proper risk management and stick to your trade plan. If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. So let's look at another pair. Let's look at another pair. Let's look at the DSY. Let's look at the DSY. Let's start our analysis from the weekly time frame. So the DSY on the weekly time frame, you can clearly see that price hits this support level, which is this support level, and price is reacting back to this area now. Then you can see that price hits this resistance level, and what we expect now, we expect price to drop back to this support level. The price failed to break the support level, might see price going on back, but the price break, we might see more sales. You can see it now. See how I break it down step by step, step by step. So this is how you follow your trade plan. But price will move from resistance to what? To support. So if you break any particular resistance, you convert that resistance to support. If you break any support, you convert that support to resistance. So price move from support to resistance. So this is how you marry your plans. This is how you marry your trade plans. This is how you marry your trade plans. You don't trade anyhow in this market. You follow the instruction of what the market is telling you to do. Don't trade the way you want it. Don't trade with assumption. Don't trade because your mind is telling you to trade, but because your intuition is telling you to trade. Don't do that. Follow what the market tells you to do. Follow what the market tells you to do. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the DSY, on the daily time frame, price rejected from this resistance already. This daily and also weekly resistance, price rejected from this level already. It's telling us that we're expecting price to drop back to this support area. We expect a drop from the DSY to this support. Then if price fails to break that support, might see price pushing back to the top. But if price break this support, this might trigger more sell. So what we expect from the DSY now? From the DSY now, we don't have a clear indication for selling or for buying from now. Why? Because we still have a range here on the daily time frame. We have this range. So what we need on the daily time frame, we need a break of this level, then we test, we can start looking for the sell. You get me now? We need a break because this level is a range. We can't make any decision on this range. We need that break to confirm it first before we make our decision. We are supposed to have the break. With the break, we cannot expect price to drop lower. So we need a break before we see make any decision. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame now is also giving us a clear scenario of a downtrend, but we also need price to close below some levels. You can see from the 4-hour time frame now, the DSY price has break below this level. Then we expect price to retest and drop. Then we also have some level here which have this lower low and higher low. So we need price to break below this higher low, then retest, start looking forward for drop. So this is what we are expecting for the DSY from the 4-hour time frame. So that is why the euro is still finding difficult to move, and also USDJPY is finding difficult to move. So you must stick to what the chart is telling you to do. Don't trade against the chart direction. Don't trade against the chart direction. Stick to what the chart is telling you to do. Don't trade against the chart direction. It's risky trading against the direction of the higher time frame. It's very, very risky trading against the higher time frame direction. Very, very, very risky. You can get my video course, the link is in the description below. You can also join my Telegram group if you want to join, the link also in the description below. So get access to my trading course, Thank you guys for subscribing. If you subscribe, I appreciate you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. I appreciate you. So if you are just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe. So this is how you marry your trade. You focus on what the market is telling you to do. You don't trade against what the higher time frame is telling you. You must trade in line with the higher time frame. Trade in lines with the higher time frame direction. Avoid trading against it. It's not encouraging to trade against the higher time frame direction. So let's look at another pair. If you are new, if you are just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. So we don't want to trade against the higher time frame. That is why we are making all this analysis from the higher time frame. We don't want to trade against it. Those are the main reasons why a lot of traders lose their hard-earned money. Those are the main reasons why a lot of traders lose their hard-earned money. Those are the main reasons. So let's look at the weekly time frame on USDJPY. USDJPY on the weekly time frame now is currently on a resistance level. Price is currently on a resistance level. We cannot buy from this resistance. Because if you are buying from this resistance, one big move will come. Once the market make any big move, it will go against your direction heavily. That can lead to big loss. So always start your analysis from the higher time frame and always look out for zones that will lead to big reversal or big continuation of trend. So those are the levels you trade. One thing about support and resistance level, you don't trade every support and resistance level. You only look out for the key support and resistance level for you to trade. You look out for key support and resistance level for you to trade. You don't trade every support and resistance level. You only look out for that, the key, the one that will trigger strong movement on the chart. That is what your focus will be on. Don't trade every support and resistance level you see on the chart. Focus on the one that will trigger a big movement and be patient with it. As time goes on, you will see the results playing out. Because one thing, trading is boring. Trading is boring, but your consistency in following up with your trading, that is what will give you the results. You get me now? Consistency in repeating that right information over and over is what will give you that result. Because trading on its own is boring. So it's not advisable for you to make your trading exciting. If you make it exciting, you find yourself to blame. And avoiding spending much time on the chart. Spend less time on the chart. Once you take your trade, allow your trade to run, to do its own thing, and let it be. Allow your trade be, let it run. Because why? You have a risk plan, you have your trade plan. Let the both of them do the work for you. Your job is to allow the market do the work for you. Then apply proper trade management. Those are the things you need to become profitable. Your trade plan and your risk plan. Then proper trade management to manage it to go on with the trade. You don't rush in. Don't close the trade because you make little profit. You close the trade because you have a reason to close your trade. You must have a reason to close your trade. If you don't have a reason to close your trade, let the trade run. So let's start our analysis on the USDJPY. So on the weekly time frame, USDJPY is currently on a weekly level. We have price on this weekly level. So we expect price to drop from this area to this next weekly support. But if price break, we'll start looking for buys. But for now, we expect price to drop first because we cannot buy from this level. We can only sell from this level towards to the down. So we expect price to drop to this level before we start making any decision on the USDJPY. So the weekly is already on the resistance and it's telling us to what? To sell. We can only sell from the resistance level. So let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we also have price now reacting to the daily resistance and the weekly resistance. We have this resistance here. So this candlestick is reacting to this level now. We need a confirmation to what? To sell the USDJPY to this next weekly support. We need a confirmation. We cannot join that particular sell. We need a confirmation. If you are just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are just joining us. Then if you have a question and any pair you want us to analyze for you, please do well to ask your question. On the pair you want us to analyze for you. So we cannot trade against the major direction of the market. We have to follow it and stick to it. We have to stick to the direction of the higher time frame. So the daily is currently on the resistance, and we need a setup from the daily time for us to sell the USDJPY. So that is what we are expecting from the USDJPY, but we don't have a clear entries yet on the USDJPY. You can see from the USDJPY on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we have this lower low and a series of higher low. So we need a series of lower highs for us to sell the USDJPY. Series of lower highs for us to sell the USDJPY. We don't have it here already. So until we have the series of lower on the USDJPY, before we start selling the USDJPY, until we have this series of lower highs. So these are the things we are expecting from the USDJPY. So if you are just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. Let's subscribe to this channel. Let's keep this channel growing. Subscribe to this channel. You need to subscribe. Let's keep this channel growing. Subscribe. Let's subscribe to this channel. We can take it to 1,000 before the month of June ends. We can take this channel to 1,000. So you can see we have the weekly is currently on resistance, telling us to what to sell, but the daily time frame is still on a resistance also. But there's no confirmation for us to sell. You have to wait for you to get your confirmation to sell. On the 4-hour time frame, also there's no confirmation to what to sell. So you also have to wait. Trading is patient and consistency. Patient and consistency is trading. If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are just joining us, trading is patient and consistency. Your consistency in doing the right thing is what puts the profit in your pockets. Your consistency in doing the right thing is what puts the profit in your pocket. So be consistent in doing the right thing. You will see the profit coming into your pocket. Be consistent in doing the right thing. You see the profit coming into your pocket. So let's look at our next pair. Let's look at the gold. I know you guys love gold. You follow my analysis yesterday. I said I expect gold to buy. Those guys that follow my live analysis yesterday, I said I expect gold to buy. From where? From this weekly support level. Because currently we are on a weekly support level on gold. Price is reacting to this support level on the gold now. Price is reacting to this support level. We are seeing price reacting to this weekly support level. So if you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. You can also join my Telegram group. The link also in the description below. The price is reacting to this level on gold now. So long price already on the support on gold. We can only buy back to the weekly resistance. We have a resistance at this level. So we can only buy to resistance level. So currently we cannot sell from the current level gold is. We cannot sell from this level. We have price. We cannot buy from this level. We can only buy. We cannot sell. We can only buy. So we cannot sell from this level. We can only buy. So we are getting buys coming from here. The price to move to this resistance. Then we start looking for possible sell. This 5K to break it. But if price break it, we start looking for more buys. So it's not advisable to buy from this level now, but to sell from this level. It's not advisable to sell from this level. Look out for your buying opportunity from this particular level on gold. So let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can clearly see that price is reacting to that weekly support on the gold. Price is reacting to the weekly support. So long price reacting to the weekly support, we need a confirmation for us to buy to this resistance on gold. We need a confirmation for us to buy the gold to the top. So we wait for the daily candle close to give us that confirmation for us to join the gold buy to the top. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame on gold, we can clearly see that we have this lower low and higher low, then higher low. This is a sign of bullish trend, but we need price to break out of a major level for us to buy gold, to join the buyers on gold. We need price to break this high. You see how price, the lower highs are still in range. We see how price on this lower highs. We see how price on this lower highs. So we need price to break above this lower high, then we can start looking for possible buy. We need a break. After the break, start looking for possible buys. We need a break above this high, we test, start looking for possible buy. This is what we need. If we don't have this break, gold is not okay yet to buy. If we don't have the break of this level, gold is not okay to buy. So you must have a break of this area for us to buy gold, even though the weekly time frame is telling us to buy. So we cannot buy gold for now until we see the break. We can't buy gold for now until we see that break we are looking for. Once we have the break, we start looking for the buys. So this is what is holding us from trading gold for now. This is what is holding us from trading gold for now. Get me now? So we don't want to risk our hard-earned money. So let's wait for gold to break this high or give us a daily price setup for us to join the buys on gold. So this is what we're expecting from gold. This is what we're expecting from gold. This is what we're expecting from gold. So stick to what the higher time frame say. Don't trade against the higher time frame direction. Stick to what the higher time frame say. Don't trade against the higher time frame direction. If you have any question, please do it to ask. You can also subscribe to this channel if you are just joining us. Subscribe if you are just joining us. So always follow what the higher time frame say and always stick to your trade plan. Stick to your trade plan. Don't trade against the major plans, which is against the major direction of the market. Stick to your trade plan. Stick to your trade plan. Don't trade against the direction of the market. Because once the major market is telling us to buy, if you are trading against it, you are at your own risk. And for me, I will advise you to become a swing trader. Swing trader is more profitable. Swing trader is the only trader that easily risk little and gain more. They risk little of their money, then they gain more. So that is why it's encouraging for you to become a swing trader. And becoming a swing trader will enable you to risk little of your money and make higher return. Which is you are risking $10 to make like $50, $40. But trading the lower time frame, those are high frequency trading. It's not encouraging. High frequency trading is not encouraging. Don't trade those lower time frames. They are not encouraging. Look for setup from the higher time frame, the 4 hours, the daily for your entries. Then you can make your major analysis from the weekly. Make it simple. Make your analysis simple. Avoid making it complicated. Make your analysis simple. Avoid making it complicated. Avoid making your analysis complicated. Make your analysis simple so that you can easily get your results, what you are looking for in the market. Make it simple. So let's look at the next pair. Let's look at USDCAD. Let's start our analysis from the weekly time frame. So the USDCAD on the weekly time frame, we have price break above this resistance level, converting the resistance towards to support. We need a test of this level for us to buy to the top. We need price to reject from this area for us to buy to the top. We cannot make any decision now on the USDCAD. You can see this is clear, it's straightforward. You can see this analysis is straightforward. It's clear and straightforward. The market is telling you now not to buy. It's giving you now no decision. So long the market is not giving us any decision, so we just focus on what the market is telling us to what to do. It tells us to buy, we buy. It tells us to sell, we sell. So that is just the fact. That is the fact. That is the fact. So we don't have a clear direction for USDCAD. Let's look at BTCUSD. BTCUSD has been dropping since yesterday. Since a month now, for over a month now, BTC has been dropping. So why is USD dropping? The weekly time frame have a very good structure for sales on BTC. We can see from the weekly time frame is pointing more sales. Weekly is pointing more sales. You can see our previous level was higher low, higher low. You can see that price break a major structure. Price break a major structure. What do we expect? We expect to sell more to this level. So we expect to sell more to this level for BTC, because you can see a major structure was break, and you can see that we have a series of lower highs. So what are we expecting next on BTC? I'm also waiting for me to sell the BTC. I'm expecting a retest of this level back to this resistance for me to look at a major sell to this level, to the 52 region for BTC. After the retest, I will look at a major sell to the 52 for BTC. So this is what we are expecting from the BTC, a retest and sell. So don't trade against the market direction. If you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe. So the BTC is telling us that we need to sell more, but we can't just join the sell now. We need the retest of that a weekly level. Once we see price retesting that weekly level, we start looking for our possible sells on BTC. So that is what we are expecting from BTC. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame for BTC, you can see we have the weekly level already. We have our weekly level drawn already. So we need price to retest from this level back to this weekly level for us to sell down. So this is what we're expecting for the BTCUSD. And can also see free from the daily time frame. The daily time frame have a higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So this risk of lower high is an indication for more sell. So look out for more sales on BTC. Look out for your more sales on BTC. Look out for more sales on BTC. Don't trade against the direction. Look out for more sales. So look out for more sales on BTC. Don't trade against the direction. Look out for more sales. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. We also need price to come to a resistance, which is this weekly resistance for us to also sell. So this is what we are expecting from the BTCUSD. So we are still looking for more sales on BTC. So let's look at the next pair, which is New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD. I'm also expecting buying from New Zealand USD. So I'm expecting to buy from New Zealand USD. Don't want to trade against the direction, because currently from the weekly time frame, we're having an uptrend structure on the New Zealand USD. We are having a lower low and a higher low, then higher low. So we are expecting more buys. We are expecting more buys on New Zealand USD. So long the weekly is telling us to buy, you have to go to here, our daily time frame, to go and look for that buy. So let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, price reacting to this support level. The weekly support also, and also a daily support. So we need a signal confirmation for us to buy to the top from the daily chart. We need a signal to buy to the top. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So from the 4-hour time frame now, we can clearly see that we are clearly up bullish on the New Zealand USD. You can see we have this lower low, higher low, higher low, and higher low. So we expect more buys. Expect more buys on New Zealand USD. So this is what we're expecting from the New Zealand USD. Expect more buys. Expect more buys. Expect price to keep pushing higher on New Zealand USD. Expect price to keep pushing higher. If you're just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're just joining us, do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're just joining us, if you have any questions, do well to ask your questions. Do well to ask your questions. If you have any questions, do well to ask your questions. If you're just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're just joining us, do well to like and subscribe. If you're just joining us, do well to like and subscribe. We drop free trading signals. We analyze the chart daily. We always live here daily. We help you pick as major direction for the trade. We give you signals with 85% accuracy analysis. 85% accuracy in our analysis. So do well to subscribe to this channel. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe. Support my channel group. Do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe. Let's keep it rolling in. Let's keep it rolling in. Let's keep the buying on the pounds rolling in. Let's keep it rolling in. So what are we expecting next? Let's look at USDCAD. Let's look at USDCAD. The USDCAD currently is very, very weak. USDCAD is currently weak. Let's start analyzing from the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, we need price to come to this particular resistance for us to see any possible sell. We need price to come to this resistance for us to sell USDCAD to the down. We need price to come to this level. Then if price break that level, start looking for our possible sell on USDCAD. The current level now, we can't sell from this current level. We need to sell from this major level for us to sell the USDCAD. You can also see that from the weekly time frame, you can also see that we have a series of lower high. Then we need to sell from this level to from USDCAD to the downside. In the sell, you can't trade against the direction of the USDCAD of the higher time frame. In the sell from USDCAD. So you can see that's why we are seeing price still pushing higher. Once you get to the resistance, start looking for possible sell. Price fit to break it, start looking for possible sell for USDCAD. So that is what I'm expecting currently from the USDCAD. That is what I'm expecting. So we have to be patient. We have to be patient and wait for price to give us a good setup for us to sell the USDCAD. So let's look at the CHF. Let's start analysis from the weekly time frame. So the CHF on the weekly time frame is still projecting more downtrend. As you see, have more series of lower high for the CHF. So long we see have downtrend on the CHF, we have to look out for more of what the buying on the CHF. We have to look out for more of buys. We have to look out for more of sales on CHF. Long the CHF still pointing down. The CHF still pointing down. We have to look out for more of sales. As you see, have a series of lower highs on USDCAD. So we have to look at for sell to this next support. So let's look at the expected from the USDCAD. So let's be patient. Let's look at the 4-hour chart of the CHF. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame of the CHF. So for the 4-hour time frame also, we have price on the downtrend already on the 4-hour chart. But you can see we have series of lower highs. We have series of lower highs. Series of lower highs, which is also indication more downtrend. So we have to look out for more sales on the USDCAD. Look out for more sales. If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are just joining us, do it to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are just joining us, do it to like and subscribe. Please subscribe. Support my channel growth. Support my channel growth. Do it to like and subscribe. Support my channel growth. We give high accurate analysis with over 85% accuracy. Please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed, you are missing. Just subscribe to this channel. So let's look at another pair. Let's look at USD, the pounds USD. If you are recalling my analysis, I said I expect the pounds JPY to buy, and you can see that pounds JPY is still buying up to date. You can see that pounds JPY is still buying up to date. I said we expect to buy. You can't see this kind of market flow and go and jump in to sell. We collect wutu. You sell from this kind of trend, you find yourself to blame. Because this market is stretching up. You can see the market is stretching. It's pushing for more buys, and you go and sell this kind of pair. We collect with wutu, and you find yourself to blame. So what are we expecting from the pounds JPY? The pounds JPY already still pushing higher, so we expect more buys on the pounds JPY to this level. So the price fit to break this level, this might trigger more sell. So we're expecting more buys. Price fit to break, we see more sell on pounds JPY. But our scenario see bullish, we see a bullish trend. But before we can sell, we must start looking for series of lower highs for us to sell. We can't sell with this kind of strong bullish trend. It's not advisable to sell. It's a strong bullish trend. Once you see this kind of strong bullish trend, you run for your life. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. We can only buy from this kind of strong bullish trend. So on the daily time frame, you can see we have lower low, then a higher low. So this is pointing price to move to this next resistance. That's what we're pushing the price currently up now. This was pushing price more higher. So this was pushing price more higher. Now let's look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame also gives us a good buying opportunity from this area also for us to buy. This is currently pushing the price to this top. So this is how we trade this market. We don't trade against the higher time frame direction. So long the higher time frame is telling us to buy, we look out for low risk areas for us to buy. Look out for low risk areas for us to buy. So if you're just joining us, please wait to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's subscribe to this channel. Let's support the growth of this channel. If you're just joining us, please subscribe to this channel. If you're just joining us, please do well to subscribe. If you're just joining us, do well to subscribe. Let's look at another pair, EuroJPY. Let's start from the weekly time frame. So EuroJPY on the weekly time frame still pointing higher. We still have bullish trend. on the EuroJPY. Face of higher low, which indicate we expect price to move to this next resistance area. We are expecting price to move to this next resistance area on the EuroJPY. So the price fail to break that resistance level, we start looking for more sales. Then when the price break, we start looking for more buys. So this is what we are expecting for the USDJPY. Let's look at the daily time frame. If you are just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Our analysis are always accurate with over 85% accuracy. Do well to like and subscribe so that anytime we are live, you'll be notified that we are live for us to benefit from our analysis. We are always accurate with our analysis. So please do well to subscribe. So we expect more buys because we have bullish trend. So we have the lower low and the face of higher low on the EuroJPY. So expect more buys. Expect price to keep pushing higher. So this is what we are expecting on the EuroJPY. Expect price to keep pushing higher. So don't trade against the trend direction. Expect price to keep pushing higher. Expect more buys. Don't need to trade against the direction of the higher time frame. Expect price to keep pushing higher on the EURUSD. Expect more buys. All we need is more buys on the EuroJPY. All we need is more buys. So don't just keep to the trend, stick to what the market is saying. Expect more buys. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe. If you're joining us, do well to subscribe. So expect more buys. Expect more buys. If you're joining us, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe. Let's support this channel growth. So let's look at the next pair, which is the Euro Australia. I dropped this trade live last week. We took this trade here live last week, and you can see that the trade is still producing results up to date. You can see the trade is still producing results up to date. So why are you missing our live analysis? You are not supposed to miss our live analysis. So do well to subscribe to this analysis, to this live analysis. You are not supposed to make this kind of accurate analysis. We gave you this call last week that Euro Australia will keep dropping, and you can see that price is still dropping. So why are you not subscribing to this live? Please do well to subscribe. Let's keep it going. So what are we expecting from the Euro Australia this week? We're expecting price to keep dropping on Euro Australia. We need price to drop to this next weekly support level. Then price fail to break the support level. This may trigger price back to this resistance. So we need more sales. The price break, we see more sales. So we're expecting more sales on the Euro Australia. So let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see clearly that we have a series of lower highs. This series of lower highs indicates more sales. So we have to keep holding our sales position on the Euro Australia. See sales, we expect price to keep pushing lower. Expect price to keep pushing lower. This next weekly support. So we have to look at for more sales. So look out for more sales on Euro Australia. We can't trade against the higher time frame direction. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that on the 4-hour time. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that we still have a bearish scenario also, which is we have a series of lower highs. You have a series of lower highs. You have a series of lower highs. So it's to keep selling. It's to keep selling on Euro Australia. Keep selling on Euro Australia because we have a downtrend at hand. Keep selling because we have a downtrend at hand. Keep selling the Euro Australia. So let's look at the next pair. Let's look at the next pair. Let's look at the next pair, which is the Euro New Zealand. We also called this trade live last week, and a lot of traders benefit from it. So what are we expecting this week? A lot of traders benefit from this trade last week. We said we expect price to hit this support level, and we see that price fully hits that support level. So what are we expecting this week on the Euro New Zealand? First, let's look at the weekly trend. On the weekly time frame, you can see we still have a series of lower highs. See how this series of lower highs on the weekly time frame, series of lower highs. Long we have this series of lower highs, we expect more drop. So we expect more drop. Long we have this series of lower highs, we expect more drop, more price drop to the downside. So long we have this series of lower highs, expect price to keep dropping for the Euro New Zealand. Expect price to keep dropping because we have series of lower highs on the Euro New Zealand. Then we expect price to drop back to this support level. This support level, this will be our target for the sales. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame now, we need a signal confirmation for us to sell. So we want to see a signal confirmation from this level, then we'll start looking for possible sell for price to keep going down. So this is what we are expecting. This is what we are currently expecting. So expect more sales. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. If you are just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Please do well to like and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel if you are just joining us. We give you high accuracy signals. If you are just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like and subscribe. So on the 4-hour time frame, we need a signal for us to sell. We need price to hit this level and give us a signal for us to sell to be down. So that is what we are expecting for the Euro New Zealand. So let's look at the Euro card. Euro card. What are we expecting? On the weekly time frame, you can see we still have lower low, higher low, then higher low. So we expect price to keep pushing higher for the Euro card to this next resistance level. So we are expecting more buys for the Euro card. Expecting more buys. We can't trade against the higher time frame direction. We are expecting more buys. So let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see that also has this bullish momentum also. We have this lower low, higher low, and higher low. So this is saying a sign of buying to this resistance area. So expect more buys for the Euro card. Expect more buys. Expect more buys. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can also see that price is pushing higher. You can see that we have series of higher lows also. Lower low, higher low, then higher low. We expect price to keep pushing higher for the Euro card because card is currently weak. Expect more buys on card. Let's look at the next pair. Pounds Australia. Let's look at the pounds Australia. The pounds Australia on the weekly have series of lower highs. So we expect more sales on the pounds Australia. But we are currently on a support level, so we wait for more price to come to resistance before start looking for sales. So this one is not that clear for now. Let's leave it. Let's look for New Zealand. Pounds New Zealand. Pounds New Zealand is also pointing for more down. You can see we have a series of lower highs. Higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So we expect more sales to be down. So let's look at the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, we need a signal candlestick for us to sell from this resistance area for us to sell to the downside. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, we need the price from this area for us to sell. So be patient and wait patiently for a trade to give you reasons to sell. If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Let's support this channel growth. Please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe if you are just joining us. Please do it to subscribe. Our analysis in this channel is always accurate. You can't afford to miss such analysis. The analysis that will transform your trading career to the next level. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Please do well to subscribe. Let's subscribe to this channel. Let's support the channel growth. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Let's support the growth of this channel. Our analysis are always accurate. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Let's support the growth of this channel. So if you have any questions, you can also do well to ask your questions. Do well to ask your questions also. Let's look at the pounds card. Pounds card is also pushing higher. You can see we have lower low and a higher low. So we need a break and start looking for more buys. So this one is not that clear also. So let's go to the pairs that we are trading for now. We are currently on the pounds USD for buys. So let's keep holding our buys on the pounds USD. So expect more buys on the pounds USD. Expect more buys on the Australia USD. If you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Have any questions, do it to ask your questions. Ask questions, ask questions. So ask your questions. Ask questions. If you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are joining us, do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to this channel if you are joining us. Ask questions also. Ask questions. Ask questions. Ask questions. Do well to ask questions. Do well to ask your questions. If you have any questions, do well to ask. So let's keep it rolling in. So if you have any questions, do well to ask your questions. Subscribe to this live. Subscribe. Let's keep this channel growing. Let's keep it growing. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are not joining us. So you can see our analysis are always accurate. You can see the way I break down the analysis. Very straightforward and easy analysis. So what is the reason why you're not subscribing to my channel? Please do well to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel for more high signals, high accuracy analysis. Do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe. We promise you high accuracy signal analysis. Do well to subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Let's keep it going. We can grow this channel together. If you are not subscribed to this channel, you are missing. If you have not subscribed to this channel, you are missing. I don't want you to miss. Please do it to subscribe to this channel. Do it to subscribe. So let's take this market to the next level. Let's keep buying the pounds USD. Let's keep buying on the pounds USD. If you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Let's keep the buying real on the pounds USD. Let's keep it real. Let's keep the buying real. So price is already pumping. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it buying real. If you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe. So let's keep it the buying flowing. Let's keep the buying flowing. Let's keep the buying flowing. Subscribe. Don't miss this good value content I'm giving you guys. Please do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe to this channel. 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 Bobby. If you have any questions, do well to ask your questions. Do well to ask your questions. Do well to ask your questions. If you have any questions. Do well to ask your questions. If you have any questions. If you have any questions, do it to ask your questions. If you're joining us, please do it to subscribe to this channel. Do it to subscribe to this channel. Do it to subscribe to this channel. Ask your questions. Ask your questions. I'm with you. So what's up? What's up with you? You have any question? Ask your questions. Mr. Xauusd, ask your question if you have any questions. I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. And your location also. Your location, where are you joining us from? From Nigeria. Where are you streaming from? Where are you joining us from? Location is Nigeria. What is your location? If you are joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's keep the channel growing. So let's subscribe. Our analysis are always accurate with 85% accuracy. You can't afford to miss this kind of analysis. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe to this channel. You can't afford to miss this kind of accurate analysis. You can't afford to miss such. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe. Let's keep it growing. Let's keep the channel growing. Do well to subscribe. We are still expecting more buys on the bounce USD. Expecting more buys. So subscribe to this channel. I can't guess where you are coming from. I can't guess your location. I can't guess your location. I can't guess your location. Please. Guess your location. Please, your location. Please, your location. Please, if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe. Okay, India, you are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you for joining us. You are welcome to the winning team. Please do it to subscribe so that anytime we are live, you'll be notified and you get more from our live signals and weekly analysis. Please do well to like and subscribe. Okay, you want me to analyze good for you. Okay, let's go to good USD. Let's go to good. I'm expecting good to keep buying also, but I'm waiting for more confirmation. So this is my good chart. Let's start the analysis from the weekly to give you more confidence that gold is going to buy. Okay, so we expect buy from gold because currently gold is on a weekly support level. You can see we have gold on this weekly support level. This is my support zone, weekly support zone, because I don't want to sell on the support zone. I can only buy to this level. So this is my resistance zone where I'm planning to sell. Because on the gold, you can see we still have lower highs, this is for sell. So but price to come to me, this is resistance for us to sell. So we don't want to sell from a support. We need price to go to resistance for us to sell. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can also see that we have a series of lower highs on the daily time frame. Series of lower highs, which is also indicating sell. But we can't sell from this weekly support, even though we have this structure for sell. We need price to come to a good weekly resistance area, which is these resistance areas for us to sell. These are the levels we are planning to sell. We cannot sell from this level. See, these are wrong areas to sell. We can only sell from this resistance level. So expect gold to buy to this resistance. Expect more buys on goods to this resistance. First, start looking for the sells. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame for us to buy. If you want to buy now, go to your 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. For the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that we still have a bearish trend also. We have this series of lower highs, but they will now have this lower low and higher low, then higher low. This is a sign of price shifting trend towards to uptrend, but we need a break of this level. Then we test to this area, then we start looking for buy from this area to the top. So this is what I'm expecting from gold. So once we buy to this resistance, then we'll start looking for sell back to the weekly support. So this is what I'm expecting for gold. So take advantage of it and buy. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe to this channel. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Let's support the growth of this channel. Please do well to subscribe if you are not subscribed. Do well to subscribe if you are not subscribed. Do well to subscribe if you are not subscribed to this channel. So thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. I appreciate you guys for subscribing. I appreciate you. So we expect gold to buy this week. So start looking for possible sell. We are still expecting a buy on gold now. We are expecting gold to buy this week. You can't sell. Expect more buys with over 85% accuracy for our analysis. Our analysis are always 85% accurate. So do well to subscribe to this channel. And expect more buys from gold this week. Expect more buys from us on gold this week. So once we see a break of that level, start looking for buys on gold. Once we see a break, we start looking for the buys on gold. If we don't have any signal yet, we need a break of that level, then wait for the signal for us to buy gold to the top. So expect buys on gold. Expect buys on gold. So if you have any other question, okay, let me load the music. Okay, the music is now low. So expect gold to break that level. Expect gold to break that level. Expect gold to break that level for us to see more buy on gold. Expect gold to break that level for us to see more buys on gold. So this is what we're expecting from gold. If you have any other questions, please do well to ask your questions. 5 minutes charts. I don't do 5 minutes charts. I'm a swing trader, so I don't do 5 minutes charts. I don't do 5 minutes charts. I don't do a 5 minutes chart. Okay, let me just drop to 1 hour chart for just to assist you. Let me drop to 1 hour chart to assist you. 1 hour chart to assist you. Let's look at what the 1 hour chart have to say. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart also, you can also see that price is currently on that level. I also tell you it's the same thing. The 1 hour and the 4 hour is saying the same thing. So we need price to clear out all these levels for us to buy. Then if you see price break this level back, we start looking for sell to the down. This is what the 1 hour is saying. So we have to follow what the market is saying, what the chart is saying, then to assume. So I'm not a scalper, so I'm not used to 1 minute chart. I'm not used to 1 minute chart. So please do well to like and subscribe if you are just joining us. Please do well to like and subscribe if you are just joining us. Do well to like and subscribe if you are just joining us. Do well to like and subscribe if you are just joining us. If you have any question, you are free to ask your question. You are free to ask your question. You are free to ask your questions. You are free to ask any questions. You are free to ask your questions. If you have any questions, you are free to ask your questions. If you have any question, you are free to ask your question. So if you are joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are joining us, do well to like and subscribe to this channel. You can also join my Telegram group. The link also in the description below. You can also get access to my video courses. The link is in the description below. You can also book for my one-on-one mentorship. The link is also in the description below. So do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like and subscribe. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel. We are here to serve you better. Subscribe to the channel. No good setup yet on good. No good setup. So this is our plan for good. Then we'll start looking for the sales. So let's go to JPY. We are currently on the buy on the pound JPY. We are currently buying the pound JPY. So let's keep the buying holding. Pound USD buy. We are currently on the pound USD buy. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it rolling in. If you have any questions, do well to ask your questions. So let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. So tomorrow I will not be live. So, but on Thursday I'll be live. Getting set for some activity. So we have a busy day tomorrow. But on Thursday. I'll be here live with you. I'll be here live with you. I'll be here live with you. So do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel. If you're not joining us, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel. If you're not joining us, do well to like and subscribe. So if you're not joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. It only takes a patient trader to become profitable. Have any question, any pair you want us to analyze for you, do well to ask your question, we analyze it for you. Do well to ask your questions, we analyze it for you. Any pair you want us to analyze for you, do well to ask, we analyze it for you. Then if you're joining us, please do well to subscribe. Our analysis are always accurate with 55% accuracy. So our contents are valuable. So do well to subscribe if you're not joining us. Do well to subscribe. So let's go. Please do well to like and subscribe. If you're not joining us, do well to like and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. And also like the live. If you're joining us, do well to like and subscribe. So this is how we roll here. Please do well to like and subscribe if you're joining us. Do well to like and subscribe if you're joining us. Do well to like and subscribe if you're joining us. If you are joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are still expecting pounds to keep buying to the top, do well to like and subscribe. If you are currently trading the pounds USD, if you are expecting more buys on the pounds USD. So let's keep the buy rolling in. Let's keep it rolling. Please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're joining us. If you're joining us, please do well to like and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. You are the winning team. Subscribe to join the winning team. So we are expecting more buys on the pounds. If you have any questions, do well to ask your questions. Any questions, do well to ask your questions. If you have any questions, do well to ask your questions. We are here to support you. Do well to ask your questions. We are currently buying the pounds USD. We are currently buying the pounds USD. And we expect price to keep pushing higher because the higher time frame is telling us that we expect the pounds USD to buy. So let's keep buying the pounds USD. So by US section, we might see more volatility in the market. By the US section, we might see more volatility. So that's what we're expecting. So expect more buys on the pounds USD. Expect more buys on the pounds USD. If you're joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel. please. Let me know your location if you're just joining us. Your location, please. Your location. Let me know your location if you're joining us. Please do it to like and subscribe. Let me pick this call. Do it to like and subscribe. Let me pick this call. Hello? Hello? Okay, Apana. Only one. Let us big one. No, not good. I realize that it's my period. I'm not the dude. Only important thing I do like this now. Oh boy. What will be the charge number? What will be the charge? If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe. Subscribe. If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe. We are currently buying the pounds. So let's go. If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe. Do it to like and subscribe. If you're joining us, subscribe. Let's subscribe to this channel. So we are currently buying the pounds USD. So let's keep the buying rolling on the pounds USD. Let's keep it rolling. So if you want to join us, you can still join us. Price still currently in our entries. So join us. We are at your own risk. You can swing this trade to the next level. This is a swing trade plan. Apply proper risk management and stick to the plan. Allow the trade to run for 2 to 3 days. Let's see how it goes. So have a risk plan. Don't enter with all your money. Look for a proper risk management. Risk plan. Apply risk management to your trade plan. Apply risk management to your trade plan. Proper risk management to your trade plan. Please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, ask your question. Also tell us where you are joining us from. Tell us where you are joining us from the chat box. Where you are joining us from. Tell us where you are joining us from. Please do it to like and subscribe to this live. Do it to like and subscribe to this live. Subscribe to this live. Subscribe to this live. Subscribe. You can't afford to miss this quality education we are giving out here. Quality trading tips and ideas we are giving out here. You can't afford to miss it. Please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. So let's go. Let's keep the buying rolling on the pounds USD. Let's keep the buying rolling. So we expect more buys. So we are buying the pounds USD. So we are expecting price to buy for the next 2 to 3 weeks on the pounds USD. Let's keep it rolling. Are you with me? Let's keep the buy rolling. Let's keep it rolling. So do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe if you're joining us. Do it to like and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel if you're joining us. Our analysis are always accurate. Please do it to subscribe to this channel. Do it to subscribe. Let's go. So let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Do it to like and subscribe to this channel. We give accurate analysis. Our analysis are 85% accurate. Please do it to like and subscribe. Drop your location in the chat box. Where are you joining us from? Drop your location in the chat box. Let's go. Drop your location in the chat box. Where are you joining us from? Drop your location in the chat box. Let's know where you are joining us from. Drop your location in the chat box. Where are you joining us from? Where are you joining us from? Drop your location in the chat box. If you have any question, do it to ask also. All right. So we ended the live in next. Okay, let me pick a call. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel if you are just joining us. The location. Do well to like and subscribe. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If you are just joining us, do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel if you are just joining us. So we'll be ending this live in the next 15 minutes. We'll be ending live in the next 15 minutes. So ask your questions. Do you have any questions? Have any questions? Do it to ask your questions. Do it to ask your questions. If you are joining us, please do well to ask your questions. Your location, where are you joining us from? Please do well. If you are just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Do well to like and subscribe. Our analysis are always accurate. So we are expecting the pounds USD to keep buying. We are expecting the pounds to keep buying on the daily time frame and the weekly time frame and the 4-hour time frame. So that's why we are buying the pounds USD. So subscribe to this channel to keep you updated anytime we are live and to get accurate analysis and trade signals. So join us and we give us swing signals, swing trading signals. That is what we give out here. So join the winning team and do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe. So we expect pounds to keep buying. Keep buying. So expect pounds to keep buying. Your location, where you are joining us from, your location you are joining us from, your location, let us know your location. Let us know your location. Help us. Let's know your location, where you are joining us from. Let's go. Let's keep the buying rolling. Let's go. So let's keep the buying rolling in. The market is very slow. This kind of market condition require patience to get results. So that is for the pounds. be ending the live by 2 p.m.